In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the Purge canister valve on your Kia Optima. Located under the hood, let's get started. To get access to the Purge valve canister, we're going to be removing this intake pipe. Using a pair of needle nose pliers, go ahead and take this clamp and move it out. Using a little pry bar, go ahead and pry on the hose and take it out. We're going to be doing the same on this one. Using a 10mm socket, we're going to go ahead and loosen up this clamp. Do not take the bolt completely out, just get it loose. Using an extension and a 10mm socket, we're going to be doing the same on that clamp. Like I mentioned, do not take it completely out, just get it loose. Now that we have the hoses off and both clamps loose, we should be able to grab on the top and slide out. Now we're going to be doing the same on the throttle body side. Here's the pipe. Go ahead and move it out of the way. Now that we have access to our solenoid, we're going to go ahead and unplug the two hoses that's going to be located on either side, and it's going to have one electrical connection located right over here. We're going to start by unplugging that, pry on the connector, and pull it out. Move your connector out of the way. And next up, we're going to remove the two hoses. Using a pair of needle nose pliers, we're going to go ahead and start by removing this hose. Move the clamp out of the way. And using a pry bar, we're going to go ahead and slide the hose off. And now we're going to be doing the same on this one. Now that you have both hoses off and disconnected, we're going to go ahead and tap on this little bracket right here to slide it off. Using a small flathead screwdriver, we're going to go ahead and put some pressure on this tab. It's right in the middle of it. We're going to push down on it. And as we do, we're going to slide the part off. Remove the tool, and now we can slide the part out of the way. And here's the old one. Now we're ready to install the new part. We're gonna go ahead and start by sliding it on the back hose and then clip it into place. Go ahead and slide it in. Reinstall the clamp. And now we're going to clip it on the bottom the same way that it came out. Now we can go ahead and install the hose that goes in the front, line it up, and slide it in. Reinstall the clamp. And now we can go ahead and plug it in. When you plug it in, make sure you hear a click and just give it a light tug to make sure that it is in place. Now we're ready to reinstall the intake pipe. Now we can reinstall our intake pipe. Start by sliding it in location. Slide it into the throttle body. Now slide it onto the engine filter box. We're going to go ahead and tighten the throttle body side of the pipe. When you do this, make sure you do not over tighten because it is plastic and it could crack. So just go ahead and get it snug. Give it a nice tug to make sure that it is in place. And now we're going to do the same on the top one. Like I said, do not over tighten. This is plastic and it will crack. Give it a nice tug to make sure that it is in place. Now we can go ahead and reinstall the hoses. I'm going to start by lining it up, slide it in place. Reinstall the clamp. We're gonna be doing the same on this one. We're gonna be doing the same on this one. If your vehicle had a check engine light, now will be the time to reset it. Make sure that everything works as it should, and that'll be job done.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.